Hi, I'm Kapila Nyondo from Lusaka, Zambia, working for Ministry of Finance and National Planning. I'm in a network environment. I had my CCNA course done at Jodo Institute in Noida, India. I had a good experience at Jodo Institute to a level where I obtained my CCNA. I hope to come soon. And I had a refreshing moment with the people around. They are friendly people, very good and helpful. And also the accommodation was good. The food is nice. And the center manager, Mr. Shaha, was very helpful, and he ushered us well in the course and also the eventual success of our qualification. Thank you very much.